Hey, what's going on, my dudes? Midnight Sun 518 here. I have another short and sweet sort of kind of upgrade video for you. This isn't specifically for the speed, but I'm putting it in the speed. I got myself a QuadLock. Today we have stuff from QuadLock, which is super sick. We have car mount, the wireless charging head. Of course, I gotta go with some fancy blue, and then an iPhone 13 case. QuadLock is super dope because it's a very strong, oh, there's a tab, okay. It's a very strong like connection, and it looks sick. QuadLock is super cool because they have a bunch of different types of mounts, and since I ride a motorcycle, right, they make a mount for the motorcycle that not only is very, very strong for keeping your phone in place, but also has a little vibration reducer, which is super dope. So this phone case, allegedly, is set up such that I can use the wireless phone charger, and it's a magnetic connection, pop, and it will wirelessly charge my phone, just like what I have already set up in the car. However, when I go to hop on my bike, I can also use it as a normal QuadLock setup. So sliding on in here, I've already finished putting everything together, and yeah, I don't know why necessarily I didn't film any of the process, probably because it's super easy. But those of y'all that have been following this build know that I have a little button that I installed right here, which disconnects power from the socket that was continuously receiving battery power. And so I hooked this up in intermediate, and then I ran extensions and cables and wires and everything behind the dashboard and through the transmission column so that I could have it very sneakily and nice and tucked up so it doesn't have cables and wires running everywhere. And then during a recent video when I was installing my backup camera, I went ahead and tucked this even further up. It used to come down about here, or even come on a little bit further and go in right here. But since I had the dash apart, I just ran it up even higher. And it honestly didn't come out too bad. But the QuadLock looks sick, and I'll talk about that a little bit more here in a second. But once again, it's super easy. You just plug in the cable and then run your wire in the direction that you guys want it to go. Just connects just like that, magnetically, bam. And then if I were to turn it on, there it goes. Pretty cool. And then, if I were to come out here to my bike, which is currently under construction, to this QuadLock, I can put in sideways, push down, and twist. And it'll pop and lock my phone right into place. And it too is a wireless charger. Just like that. Obviously nothing crazy with that one today, but I just thought it was cool, and I wanted to show it off. So I did want to test real quick, actually. It does indeed connect to the Tacoma. And then if I start the truck, is it gonna charge? Oh, sick nasty, dude. So it looks like I probably don't even need to get a QuadLock because it just works with my current setup. Neat. Well, short and sweet, nothing really to talk about on that one. If you guys have any questions, please drop them down below, and I'll do my best to answer them quickly and accurately. Yeah, I guess see you next time. Midnight Sun out.